One of the things I love the most about the cold weather months is squash, which is interesting because as a child I would refuse to eat it, but now I love it. This is a delicata squash, and it's my new best friend. I love this. To make this, you will need olive oil, a delicata squash, some salt, and some seasoning. I'm using thyme. The delicata squash is properly named because the skin is very delicate and you don't have to completely peel it to roast it, and it actually makes it look prettier. So all you have to do is just remove some of it. Now we just cut off a little bit of the ends. And unlike butternut squash or acorn squash or pumpkin, you don't have to do my little trick about microwaving this first to make it easier to cut because it's already easy to cut. So we took off the ends, we'll cut it down the middle. See, the knife goes right through. And then I'm going to cut it in half this way and remove the seeds. Now we're just going to slice these in 1/2-inch slices. Just put them in a bowl. And now we'll drizzle them with olive oil. Pretty much you can't go wrong with any kind of roasted vegetable if you just drizzle them with olive oil and salt them. But we're going to give it a little extra flavor with the thyme. So let's give them a generous sprinkle. And I have some dried thyme here. I'm just brushing these leaves with my hand, these twigs, and the thyme goes right in the bowl. Very easy. Mix it up. And now we lay them on a baking sheet covered with parchment. Just lay them out. These are going in a 425 oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. After about 10 minutes, you want to turn them. All right, let's pop these in the oven. Our squash is out of the oven. It is tender. It is fragrant. It is delicious. And how easy was that recipe? If you enjoyed it and this video, please give it a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and come see us again here at home with Anita Rosner, because we make a lot of good stuff.